Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out by showing you how to get to your end portal very quickly. Disclaimer, this is only a method that works if you've already beaten the Ender Dragon pretty much. So, what you want to do, if I fly over there right now, which is the direction of my end portal, it would take me a couple minutes to fly there even with an elytra, because it's like 1500 blocks away, I think. However, something that's interesting to know about Minecraft is that one block in the nether is 8 blocks in the overworld. So as you can see, I've got like a very ugly nether portal right there, which I'm still gonna fix in this world. And pretty much if I step into the nether, all I need to do, or pretty much all I need, is one rocket, and I'll show you right now. There we go, here's another nice little portal. Is the skeleton gonna hit me? No, I'm too fast. And I built a portal just straight here in the stronghold next to the end portal. Pretty much. That is all you need, and now I can make my way out here. And if I want to get to an end city, I can find it. If I want to go to my XP farm, which is right over here, I can also do that. The possibilities are pretty much endless. I haven't even collected the dragon egg yet in this world. But yeah, this is pretty much the way to do it. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.